Yes, sir. Got it installed today. But look at it. I'll do a full video soon, man. Tell you about that. But the good thing is they're going to replace it. They already took care of the warranty stuff. So stay tuned for that video. All right, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video will be about 2 mods I've got done to my 26 Silverado, man. I know you guys have seen the quick review when I purchased it, but I've done some mods to it and I want to share with you, so stay tuned for the video. All right, there she is, man. 2026 Silverado Trail Boss with the black package, as I showed you guys in the review. But today's video is really just to talk about some of the mods I got done to it. Trucking America, I put the information in the description below. So as you guys saw originally when I did the review, I didn't have my running boards or my step assist, and I didn't have my tonneau cover. Now this is the second tonneau cover. I'll add some B-roll in here showing you what happened to the original one. There was some damage to the original one somewhere up around here. They did the warranty work, got the replacement in and installed it. It's by Rough Country. You know, kind of like the hard tonneau covers to give you a little more sense of security, even though these can be broken into just like the leather ones. And plus, during the winter months and it snows, I don't have to worry about it sagging in the middle. But I got this all done at Trucking America. I put that stuff down in the description. Again, it's just a quick video sharing some mods. Of course, as you can see, I also got her blacked out, which is, I know Marilyn is starting to trip about the tent and stuff, but we'll see what happens. We ain't gonna discuss that. Yeah, so with that being said, man, those are my 2 mods I got done so far. I got some rain guards I'm putting on here. Got some other head on there. As you can see, the nice Trail Boss emblem. Little tailgate. I'll show you a little bit how this works. Unlock the tailgate. Slow release. As you can see, under here they got some pull tabs. Okay, on the first one you got to release the 2 latches, and I may need both my hands, so hold on 1 second. Release the 2 latches for the first one. And these 2 latches are right here. It's a trifold. And forgive me, I don't do this that often. So, as you can see, you fold it up like so. Then you hit the next 2 latches right here. And then fold again. Put it down, just bring it back down, and it snap in place. Again, trifold by Rough Country, man. If you don't have one for your pickup, you need to get you one, especially one a hard tonneau cover, so that you can protect whatever you carry. You know, if you got luggage or whatever, you don't have to worry about the rain and stuff like that. But this is just a quick video sharing my mods, man. Stay tuned, like this video, hype this video, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy, 1Bad325. I'm out.